Unemployment rate. The unemployment rate is an indicator that measures the percentage of the labor force that is out of work. It is an important indicator because unemployment can have a major impact on the economy and society. A high unemployment rate can indicate a struggling economy and can be an indicator of recession. The unemployment rate is an economic indicator that measures the percentage of people of working age, who are actively looking for work and cannot find it at a specific time, within a given population. The unemployment rate is calculated by dividing the number of unemployed people by the labor force, which includes both employed and actively seeking employment, and then multiplying by 100 to express it as a percentage. In order for a person to be considered unemployed and included in the unemployment rate, people must be of working age and actively seeking employment.